Hey everybody! Today we are going to learn how to disable all tracking in Windows 11 so you can maximize privacy and reduce background data collection. First, click the Start button, then click Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Click Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. Turn off Tailored Experiences. Click Delete Diagnostic Data. Now go back and click General under Windows Permissions. Turn off Let Apps Show Me Personalized Ads by using my advertising ID. Turn off Let Websites Show Me Locally Relevant Content. Turn off Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. Turn off Show Me Suggested Content in the Settings app. Now click Search Permissions. Turn off Cloud Content Search for Microsoft account. Turn off Cloud Content Search for work or school account. Click Clear Device Search History. Go back and click Speech. Turn off Online Speech Recognition. Now go back and click Location. Turn off location services if you do not need location access. Scroll down and turn off Let Apps Access Your Location. Restart your computer after making these changes. This significantly reduces Windows tracking and background data sharing. I hope this helps you on your current and future projects. Thank you for watching.